Babe, do it again. Hold it up, babe. Babe.
I'm just trying to figure out what it is. You wet is too.
Babe. Hold it up.
You stretch it?
Babe, what you say?
Wet is? Do you wear it?
What I be wearing?
Never seen you
Babe, what I be wearing to do?
I used to be wearing around the house a cookie. I never seen what this is. Not sexy at all.
Babe, hold it up. You got it upside down anyway.
Not sexy at all.
You don't say nothing when I be having it on and you be tapping my booty.
Never seen you.
You is a lie. If I got it in the dirty clothes and they done been washed, then that means that I don't wore it, right?
Sleeping, yeah, that on.
Oh shit. Alright, y'all, so thank everybody that came out for my sister's birthday to enjoy her thank you, Lamar. Last minute and everything. Appreciate y'all coming. She just wanted family. She ain't want nothing. Cause my sister said she got it like that. You better not be trying to come for her, goddamn it. Okay? So she don't want nothing but love and her family around, and we try to make that happen for her. So I appreciate all y'all being here, cause I know that she appreciate that deeply. Okay? Oh, yeah. So first of all, shout out to Mama. We gotta thank you for coming, Mom. Well, we gotta thank you for being the mother that birthed her.
Mama that thought about it.
That birthed her. That birthed her. But we thank God that you here to spend our years here on earth with you.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, so then shout out to my brother over here on the side, him and his family, Junior and Kamal, and sister. That's all you call a sister, okay? So that's sister over there. So we appreciate them coming to DJ for the free. As long as you make sure you feed them, okay? We gonna be in there like somewhere, okay? Then we want to give it up for Brother Paul coming through. Brother Paul, we thank you for coming, Brother Paul. And that's the icing. But Paul got a new name. We know what he is, but Paul's new name is light skin, okay? Paul is light skin. Exactly, okay? Right, he on our side. All right, we all on the side together. But anyway, I appreciate y'all coming. Happy, Keita, I don't know what number this is. 35th birthday to you, Keita. I love you. I love you. And I wish you many, many more to come. All right, so we're going to sing her happy birthday. Y'all ready? 1, 2, 1, 2. I want to say happy birthday to you, I want to say happy birthday to you. I want to say happy birthday to you, Birthday to you. Close your eyes, make a wish. Some they say, well, thank God for being here. Close your eyes, make a wish. Enjoy yourself. Happy birthday, girl. We ain't got no cake, but baby, we'll blow on you if you want us to now. Alright. Just you, the only thing you had to do was let us know. We could have did that now.
Hey, like,
Alright, so anyway.
Hey, hold on. Like they do at the restaurants.
What?
When there's 2 birthdays in the house.
Oh yeah, Shaw Leo's. Hold on.
My birthday is tomorrow.
Exactly. So we want everybody to come together. Come on, brother.
So, yeah.
Sister. Wait, we here to sell it and sing to you too, sister. How you is, sister? Sister, how you is? 32, sister. 32. Look, her eggs and pains just kicked in over there. My brother said he wants y'all to sing happy birthday to his wife. So we're going to sing happy birthday to her too. Because her birthday is tomorrow. Okay? Yeah. 1, 2, 1, 2. I want to say happy birthday to you. To you. Happy birthday to you. Say happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Close your eyes, make a wish. Throw together, I'ma put together for your sister. Close your eyes, make a wish. Thank the Lord for the 32nd birthday. Close your eyes, make a wish. Make a wish. Thank the Lord for being here. Close your eyes, make a wish. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, sister. All right, so y'all